Assalamu alaikum. Hi there, this is Majorul Islam from Suntex English Care. Hopefully you are safe and sound during this crucial moment, and I'm having a good time with you. Today I'm here to present a new lessons, and it's a part of freehand writing. There's picture presentations. Today I'm gonna show you some technique how you can present pictures without any memorizing or without previous thinking. So hopefully this lesson will help you to make you more understanding in freehand writing and spoken. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so from the outside view, what can we see? Exactly, try to understand the picture. Okay, we can see there is a station, and there is a standing in front of the station. There are two lines. The train is standing on the second line, and there are two people. They are trying to cross the first line, and there are some people waiting and standing on the station, railway station. Okay, and the station is nice. The background scenery is nice, and in the second picture, there is a huge crowd in the station. A couple of people are trying to get in the train. They are pulling each other to get in the train. Okay, so just overview what you exactly see. Your photographs that you need to write on your script. Okay, so we are going to do that. The outside view. Okay. I can see that there each train standing. In front of train station. Okay, and there are some people. There are some people. There are some people who waiting. Who are waiting on the platform. Two people are trying to cross the line. The first train is standing on the second line, and you can see, if you notice, there is a train that's leaving the station. Okay, and a train is leaving from the station. Okay, so on the second picture, there is a crowd. In the picture 2, there each big crowd. Big crowd. In front of the train. People are pulling. The people are trying to get in the train. They are pulling each other. Okay, the station. On the station. Okay. So these are the overview of these two photographs. Okay. Here I'm writing. I've written. I can see that there is a train standing in front of the rail station. There are some people who are waiting on the platform. Two people are trying to cross the line. Here, two people are trying to cross the line. The first train is standing on the second line. The first train is standing on the second line. And the train is leaving from the station. There is a train that's leaving from the station. And there is a big crowd in front of the train. There is a big crowd in front of the train. And the people are trying to get in the train. They are trying to get in the train. And they are pulling each other. They are pulling each other. Okay. This is the first overview, the outside view of these photographs. Okay. So at first, you have to write this. Okay. And later on, you have to write the inside view. Okay. So I can play it. Okay, so inside view. So what is inside view? Actually, the inside view is your just own thinking, own creativity. What you know, actually what you have experienced about these photographs, and you can say something from your own self. Okay, so like you can state here, you can mention here the train journey, about the advantages or disadvantages of train journey, about your experience, like this. Okay, something like that. Okay, so I'm trying to write something. A train journey is a popular journey. A train is a popular journey in our country. Okay, in our country, train journey is too enjoyable, is too popular, is very attractive to the common people because it's too attractive to the common people because it is free from any kinds of risk and shaking risk shaking and discomfort. It requires less cost to make a journey. It requires less cost to make a journey, and like something like that. Okay, so a train journey is a popular journey in our country. It's too attractive to the common people because it's free from any kinds of risk, shaking and discomfort. It requires less cost to make a journey. Okay, and it's available most of the available to most of the region of Bangladesh. Okay, something like this. Okay, so after writing the inside view, just you have to write your own comment. Finally, like I would like to say, আমি বলতে চাই, I really like, I am a fan of train journey. Fan of train journey. I really enjoy a journey by train. Okay, that's all. Actually, we are trying to make you understand how you can stage a photographs. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the overview of the what you exactly see from the overview of the photographs, and then you have to write the inside view. That's your own thinking, that's your own creativity. Okay, so after writing the inside view, finally you have to write your comment. Just one in 1 or 2 lines you can write your comment. Like, finally I would like to say, I'm a big fan of train journey, and I really enjoy a journey of train. So that's all. The student, I personally recommend you the beginner, especially the beginner. It's not for the advanced student. It's not for the advanced group of student. So I personally recommend this for the beginner who are trying to who can understand how you can write freehand. How you can write freely. You are always trying to memorize everything. So I personally recommend you just give it up. Never ever try not to memorize everything. Always try to think. Just start to brainstorming. Okay, just thinking on your head and try to make something from your own self. Okay. থ্যাংক ইউ। আশা করি আপনারা বুঝতে পারছেন আজকের ক্লাসটা, যে আমি একটু শেয়ার করি। মূলত আমাদের এখানে প্রথমে আমরা ছবি থেকে এক্স্যাক্টলি যেটা আমরা দেখেছি সেটা আমরা বাংলায়, যেমন এখানে একটা ট্রেন আছে স্টেশনের সামনে, এখানে 2টা লাইন আছে, কিছু লোক ওয়েট করছে ট্রেনের জন্য, আর 2টা লোক রেল লাইনটাকে ক্রস করার চেষ্টা করছে। সেকেন্ড পিকচারে আমাদের কিছু লোক আছে যারা ট্রেনে ওঠার জন্য চেষ্টা করছে। এখানে একটা হিউজ ক্রাউড দেখতে পাচ্ছি আমরা, তারা পরস্পরকে ঠেলাঠেলি করছে। এই কথাগুলি আমরা ফার্স্টে যে ওভারভিউ আছে, আউটসাইড ভিউ যেটা, সেটাতে আমরা কিন্তু লিখেছি। আর এরপরে যেটা আমরা করছি ইনসাইড ভিউ, যেটা আপনার নিজস্ব থিঙ্কিং। আপনি ট্রেন জার্নিকে লাইক করেন না ডিসলাইক করেন, বা ট্রেন জার্নি কি কি কারণে আমাদের দেশে জনপ্রিয়, এটাতে টাকা কম লাগে, এটা খুব কমফোর্টেবল, এখানে শেকিং নাই, আবার এটা হচ্ছে আপনার রিস্ক ফ্রি, হ্যাঁ, এটা বিভিন্ন জায়গায় অ্যাভেলেবল। এই কথাগুলো কিন্তু আমরা আমাদের ইনসাইড ভিউ লিখেছি। আর ফাইনালি আমরা কি করেছি, আমরা এখানে একটা কমেন্ট দিয়েছি যে আপনার কেন ফাইনালি আপনি ইউ লাইক ট্রেন জার্নি। আই উড লাইক টু সে, মানে আপনার জাস্ট নিজস্ব অপিনিয়নটা আপনি এখানে দিবেন। তো এইভাবে কিন্তু আমরা এই মানে ফ্রি হ্যান্ড রাইটিং, যে কোনো পিকচার প্রেজেন্টেশন হোক অথবা আপনার কোনো গ্রাফ প্রেজেন্টেশন হোক, আপনি এভাবে এই জিনিসটাকে লিখতে পারেন। তো আশা করি আপনারা ক্লাসটাকে এনজয় করেছেন। যদি ভালো লাগে, এটাই আসলে আপনাদের জন্য আমাদের কষ্ট করার সার্থকতা হবে। তো থ্যাংক ইউ সবাইকে, থ্যাংকস অ্যাগেইন, ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। So thank you very much for watching these sessions. Hopefully, this lesson will help you to make your freehand writing more understanding, and it will definitely help you because we have to write everything by understanding, not memorizing. You have to keep in remember. Always try to focus on your understanding. Okay, thank you very much. Thanks for joining this session again, and have a good day and good time. Assalamu alaikum.